Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day number 2. Yay! Tonight's the CP holiday train. It arrives here in Thunder Bay and stops at 8:45 p.m. And yeah, so that's going to be very exciting. And we're also going to put the tablecloth on today. And yeah, so. And we'll figure out what else we're going to do. Probably make lunch and.
Bake one set of cookies.
Maybe, yeah. There's gingerbread, but I think you might have to have the cookie cutters for that.
That stuff you could just cut it into medallion shapes and just bake them. Make them all circles.
Weird. All right, so. And yeah. Yeah, I'm having cabbage rolls. President's Choice Club Pack. And yeah, so that's for lunch so far. And yeah.
This is going to be a lot of cabbage rolls. This is 1.8 kilograms of cabbage roll.
And then after lunch, we're going to try and do some kind of baking. And yeah, so that's what's going to happen. I'm having cabbage rolls for lunch. And then the CP holiday trains this evening at 8:45. And tomorrow we're supposed to get 6 to 12 centimeters of snow. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're going to have lunch. And I'll see you when we put them in the oven. Oh, the cabbage rolls are finished. They took about an hour
and 35
minutes.
Hand me that towel right there. Yeah. Improvised grabber. That's why you put a timer on. Whoa, that's got a lot of liquid. Oh, yeah, that's a steamer.
Here's a cutie, guys. Ah, Amber's just looking at me. And yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch. That took forever for those to heat up. And yeah, so, but look at her, she's so cute. I love her. Hi, babies. Say happy Vlogmas. Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy VLOGMAS.
You're so cute. Hi. Everyone loves
All you
you.
have to do is just
Everyone loves you.
Come here, Amber.
You're just settled.
Come here.
No, because you got to wash your hands now.
I will.
Hi, babies. Hi. Now everybody can see you. Yes. Yes. She's got a cute meow. I love that pumpkin. I love the pumpkin. Somebody commented on my short, so I thought I would show Amber.
Oh, because they asked to see the kitties?
Not really, but they're enjoying Amber. Hi, baby. We are heading out for the train. I also got Tim Hortons to take with me.
You want gloves and a blanket. I need to know these things before we go.
I got half coffee and half hot chocolate. And yeah, so we're gonna head out.
Okay.
And I'll see you when we're headed out. So we are just waiting for the train, and yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I'm excited.
Train's right there.
Please be careful. Don't run into the tripod, please.
Here it comes.
You see it? It's right there.
I can't see anything. Don't get it on camera.
Okay, let me see it. I'll let you know. Here it comes.
It's already recording. It's fine.
Maybe you can send it. No, it's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about it.
Yes, you did. You're okay, bud. I got you. I'm not going to let you fall. Yeah, you see it. I can barely just make it out.
Here it comes.
I got you, bud.
Guys, the train is coming. Yay! Here he comes.
Was that funny? Here, I'll put you up on my back. Now, buddy. Yeah. That better?
Can you see the train?
I got you. Okay, bud? Oh, yeah, guys. Here, hold my hand. Here, I got you. Here, give me your hand. You're okay. That's okay. I'll hold him like this. You're okay, bud. I got you. I got him, eh? Take it, take it, take it. Where's the concert coming from?
Stage there.
Woo!
Stage is right here.
Woo!
I think he's becoming a little bit accustomed to that. You notice this, he's safe.
30 feet.
And it won't hurt me.
Now, should I go right here?
Oh, here we go. I got you, honey. I got you, buddy.
Mom, hand me your phone. Hand me your phone.
I told you you'd have a good time, buddy.
Welcome to the 2024 CPKC Holiday Train. This is our 26th year. Thank you so much for coming out. We're stopping in over 160 communities across our network. We're committed to helping those in need by raising food, funds, and awareness for hunger-related issues. We're promoting healthy donations. No matter the circumstance, everyone deserves access to healthy, nutritious food.
I got you.
Since
I got
1999,
you.
amazing citizens like you
wanna
have
come
come
down?
out and donated
Okay,
5
let's
million
go.
pounds of food and helped raise over $24 million.
doing that,
Amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause. We are so proud to be in Thunder Bay tonight, raising food and funds for the RFDA.
I guess he liked it a lot.
Remember, everything raised local stays local, so make sure to drop off your
It's mom's
donations.
turn to put.
Please help me welcome some special guests to the stage. Mayor Ken, Food Bank President Volker, and our employee Gary with a check from us to the food bank in the amount of... Uh-oh. Okay.
Howdy!
Now he gets a do-over. And Gary with a check from us to the food bank in the amount of $13,000!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
So we just got home. And yeah, so I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye guys. See you tomorrow with day